Land Rover Automobile repairs. If you're looking for help fixing your Land Rover automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive Land Rover Automobile repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your vehicle. Exhaust smoke. Unusual smoke from your car's tailpipe isn't good news, and different colors of smoke depict a different story. White or gray smoke. White smoke indicates that the coolant is being combusted along with the fuel and there is a leakage somewhere in the engine block, cylinder head, and head gasket. Blue smoke. Blue smoke indicates that there is a leakage in the valve seals or guides, or the piston rings have worn out, which are causing the engine oil to penetrate into the combustion chamber, which is causing the oil to burn along with the fuel, hence causing blue smoke. Black smoke. This means that excessive fuel is being burnt in the combustion chambers due to a leak in the fuel injector, a stuck fuel pressure regulator, or a restriction in the fuel combustion pipe. This usually happens with relatively older cars, and in such situations, it is very crucial to get the leaks checked by a specialized mechanic. Low engine oil level. Low engine oil levels can cause your engine to underperform significantly, something which is again caused due to delayed car service and aggressive driving. It is not at all healthy to make your car run at a low engine oil level, as it causes severe wear and tear of many engine components. So in order to prevent any major damages to the engine, a timely engine oil top-up is a must. Car pulling on one side. You're out on the highway, or you're simply coming back from the office, and while driving your car in a straight line for some time you realize that your car is throwing itself to the guardrail and you have to put in extra effort to keep your car straight-lined. This can be a very panicky situation for a novice driver. But not to worry, nothing terrible has happened to your car. It's just that your car is out of alignment, i.e. all four wheels aren't pointing in a linear manner and they are off their usual angle with the road while moving. Wheel alignment is recommended to be checked after every 6.0008.000 kilometers to avoid any major damage to the wheels or the suspension of the car. Low fuel mileage. Even though aggressive driving is one of the major causes of your car's low fuel efficiency. However, if your car's fuel efficiency is taking a hit despite you being a responsible driver, then it is about time that you get your car serviced. Delay in car servicing can cause parts like spark plugs, O2 sensors, fuel injectors, and air filters to get dirty and clogged up, and hence they cannot function efficiently for optimum combustion of fuel. Hence, a comprehensive servicing of your car means all such parts are cleaned up or replaced if necessary, and you can get your car's fuel efficiency back on track. Dead or discharged battery. A dead or discharged battery is a very common car problem reported. There are plenty of reasons for your car battery to doze off, like leaving electricals on when not in use, faulty charging, parasitic drain, defective alternator if the battery is beginning to show its age. All these factors can cause a car battery to rapidly discharge, which will make your car inoperational when you need it. So if you ever end up in such a situation with your car, there are basically two options you can resort to jump starting the car for this. You need a jumper cable and a donor car whose battery you will use to charge your car. Place the positive and negative terminals of the jumper cable on the positive and negative terminals of the donor car battery respectively. Then start the donor car and let it run for a few minutes. After some time, your car battery would be charged enough for ignition, and once it is done, try the ignition of your car. Charging the battery if you have access to a mechanic in a situation of car battery discharge. Then the best thing to do is get the battery removed, and the mechanic will put it up on charging so that it can attain all the juice back. These practices can work a couple of times maybe, but if your car battery isn't responding even after trying both these things, then you probably want to consider getting a new battery for your car.